before I get started, I wanted to show you guys a little no prep action at Orlando Speedway. So without further ado, hope you enjoy the content. If you like the video, please like the video. That was a close one. Let's get to the work.
You got some vacuuming to do. Got a little buffing to do.
I'm about to vacuum this up right quick. The problem is that the
cut you a nice piece of steel.
Instead of the hole being here, I need it like right here. This piece of material is not in horrible condition. I had to cut this piece out because this is where the Bondo screen was, so we're not gonna rock with that. I wanted to keep this outer lip because it's gonna keep the contour of the fender where I need it, and it's not gonna get my body lines all out of whack. and I went ahead and cut it with a cutoff wheel because it gives me the straightest cut. Best way to fit it up with another piece of sheet metal and get her all sized up. So I got my panel here, cut it, sheared it, square. So as you can see, it's bigger than what I need, and I drew 2 lines on it. That's where I'll be stepping it, and it will be sliding behind there so I can weld it. Now, I haven't worked out the side where the door's at because it's gonna have a lot of curves. So it might be just a straight piece of panel, and I'm gonna have to cut it right to size because there is rot. So I'm gonna have to be easy with it because it's not gonna be easy welding that. And if I even weld it all, I might just have to get it close enough to where I could just throw some filler, some mud. Thumbs up, that's a good worker right there. We're gonna go ahead and start painting the floor, and I got a few things to weld up, like the crotch bar or crotch belt for the seat belt, and then weld up this little hole right here, and then I got to address this rot right here, which should be done by the time she gets done taping up. I can't wait to see the final product. Got some Rust-Oleum tractor paint, gloss black, and we're about to divvy it up and go to town. In the next video, we'll be going over the Misty Malibu and showing everything that we have gone through and possibly taking it for a test drive and seeing what some real horsepower feels like. So make sure you subscribe, like the video. If you want to see some more content on these two Chevelles, get ready for the track.